Hi, in this video, I would like to show you how you can use Financial Calculator Plus Plus to calculate the interest that you can earn on a saving account. This is using Financial Calculator Plus Plus. The link to download this calculator on different platforms is in the description of this video. So let's say you see an advertisement from a bank that they have a special CD or a saving account that has a 4.5% APY, which is annual percentage yield. So you enter 4.5 and use I over Y, which is interest over year. Then let's say you have $10,000 that you're investing. Since it's the money that you're paying out, you put as negative $10,000 and set PV, which is the present value of the money. And then you want to see how much money you're going to have in 1 year. Therefore, you set N to be 1. So you can see we have set the numbers that or the parameters that are required for this, and then to calculate the money that I have at the end of 1 year is calculated by pressing CPT and then future value. So as you can see, it gave me $10,450. So let's say you want to see what happens if you had this much money in the same account that has the same, constant APY of 4.5% after 5 years. That way you can just enter 5 for N and then again CPT and then FV for the future value. That gives you $12,461.82. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please write a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I see it. Thank you.